Hi, I am Moses Oluwasegun, and this is Program Mathematics, a YouTube channel where you learn and teach mathematics. Okay, so if this is your first time of joining this YouTube channel, okay, or by accident, just someone referred you to this YouTube channel, or you search online, you just come across this. Okay, so like I said, this is Program Mathematics. So I am Moses Oluwasegun, the tutor on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, recommend it as well to your friends, your neighbors, everyone around you, okay, so as to be able to reach larger audience. Then your comment also is very, very important. It's a means of telling me how I'm faring with these tutorials. Okay, so please, your thumbs up also on the videos also are very, very important to me, and also as a means of saying thank you to what is being done here. So in the last video, I explained the subtraction of matrices. Alright, so far matrix is a playlist on its own, so several aspects of it have been discussed before now. So in case you might have missed out, so you can check through the channel, okay, look at the playlist on matrix, and then you can see the list of different topics that have been discussed before now. Alright, so as a form of revision, we have discussed addition of matrices. So let's assume we have this as an example on what we did previously. So if I have matrix A to be 3, 4, 2, 8, matrix B to be equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, and matrix C, okay, let's say this is matrix C, is 0, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. So we want to find matrix A minus B plus C. Okay, matrix A minus B plus C. So let's look at the solution to that. So matrix A minus matrix B minus plus matrix C. So in this order of appearance, write out the matrices also 3, 4, 2, 8. That's for matrix A. Now minus matrix B. Matrix B is 7, 8, 9, 10. Then plus matrix C, 0, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. We can do this straight away from here without having to rewrite anything else. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 0 is still minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Okay? So 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Okay, so minus 7 plus minus 4 is minus 11. Okay, then 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 5 is minus 7. And if you don't want to do it straight, it might look confusing to you. Just do it separately. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So this one minus 0, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. So if you do this, minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1. Okay, that is minus 4 plus 1. That's minus 3. Okay, let me check that here. 4 minus 8, that's minus 4. Sorry, this should be plus here. Okay, so that should be the same. So this is plus, not minus. So minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 7 plus minus 4 is minus 11. Minus 2 plus minus 5 is minus 7. So the two of them will still give you the same result. Okay, so today we're looking at scalar multiplication of matrices. Scalar multiplication, okay, of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay, so this one is just a revision on what we have done previously. Addition, subtraction, you can see that here. So now we're looking at scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now if you remember, in this same discussion, I've told you a matrix which has a single entry is called a scalar. Okay, it's called a scalar. So a scalar is simply a number. It's just a single number. So it could be positive, it could be negative, it could be whole number, it could be decimal, it could be fraction, it could be any type of number. Okay, so long is just a number. All right. So when we therefore say multiplication of, yes, when we say scalar multiplication, it simply means using a number to multiply the elements of a matrix. So in this case here, a scalar is a number. All right. So scalar multiplication is the use of a number to multiply a matrix. Okay, a matrix. Now let's assume that we are given matrix A. Okay, given matrix A, okay, and a scalar K. Okay, so in this case here, we can have K times A. Okay, the dot there is simply for multiplication. You simply write this one as KA. So this KA is simply saying K multiplied by A. And so in this case here, okay, this K here will multiply all the elements of matrix A. So if we are given matrix A to be, let's say K is given, and let me put this here, given matrix A is scalar K, and A equals A11, B11, A12, A12, then A21, A22. Okay, so we can say then KA, because K is a scalar, A is a matrix here. All right, so this will mean K multiplied by the elements of matrix A, A11, A12, A21, and A22. And what does that mean? The K here will multiply A11, will multiply A12, A21, A22. So this is simply K times A11, K times A12, K times A21, K times A22. So this is what is called scalar multiplication. So when we use a number to multiply the elements of a given matrix, what you are simply doing is called scalar multiplication. Okay? So if you are given number K to multiply matrix A, the K will multiply everything inside matrix A. All the elements in matrix A will be multiplied by K. Now let's take some examples on this. So please do not forget to recommend this channel to your friends, your neighbors, everyone around you. And if you're a teacher also, please recommend this channel to your students, because it's going to help them in great deal. So let's take the first example on this scalar multiplication of matrix. Okay, so we have given that matrix X is equal to 3, 4, 6 minus 2, 8, 5, and matrix Y is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. So we want to find, okay, find A, let's say 2x, B, minus 3y, and C, 2x, let me say 3y minus 3y minus 4x. So let's look at these ones. So solution to this. So for the first one, we have to find 2x. So 2 in this case is our scalar. This matrix is matrix x. So this is saying 2 times matrix x. 3, 4, 6, minus 2, 8, 5. So the 2 here multiplies everything inside the bracket here. Alright, so 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 10, 5 is 10. Okay? So, therefore B, minus 3y. So the scalar in this case is minus 3. So minus 3 is multiplying the elements of y. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. So when you multiply this out, minus 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, which is the same thing as 3. Minus 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, which is the same thing as 3. Okay? So it's as simple as that. So the third one, you can pause the video and work on this first before you continue with the video. Okay, so 3y minus 4x. What's that saying? 3 into y, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 4, 4 into x. That's 3, 4, 6, minus 2, 8, 5. Okay, so if we continue from there, you can as well pause the video at this stage as well to try to solve the problem. At least we discussed the subtraction of matrices. So you can pause the video to see what you can do to this and cross-check your results with what to be done here. Okay, so straight from here, let's write out the scalar multiplication here. So for 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 again is 0. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times minus 1 again is minus 3. So minus, okay, this, 4 times 3, we have 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times minus 2, minus 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 5 is 20. So we can do the subtraction now. According to the allocations, don't forget 0 minus 12 will give us minus 12. 3 minus 16 minus 13. 0 minus 24 minus 24. Minus 3 minus minus 8. Minus 3 minus minus 8. That's plus here. So that's 5. 0 minus 32 is minus 32. Minus 3 minus 20, that's minus 23. Okay? That's straightforward as that. Okay, so when we talk about scalar multiplication of a matrix, it simply means using a number to multiply the elements of the matrix. Okay, please, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this YouTube channel, I am Moses Oluwasegun Walex. I'm the tutor on this YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is Programmed Mathematics. Okay, so please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so. Recommend the YouTube channel to your friends, relatives, everyone around you. If you're a teacher, please recommend this to your students because it's going to help them a lot. I can bet that it's going to help them a lot. Okay, so please do me that favor of sharing, liking, giving me thumbs up on the videos and subscribing to the YouTube channel. Okay, and at the end of the day, both you and I will be happy. Okay, so thank you so much. So in the next video, I will be discussing the multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices is different from scalar multiplication. In the scalar multiplication, we use a number to multiply a matrix, but in the multiplication of matrices, the plural from matrices, we are multiplying one matrix by another matrix. Alright, so we shall see in the next video.